Imagine a nation shaped by ancient traditions, powerful warriors, devastating wars, and incredible technological progress. This is the story of Japan. Thousands of years ago, long before modern cities and bullet trains, Japan was home to the Jomon people. They lived in small communities, hunted, fished, gathered food, and created some of the world's earliest known pottery. Around the 3rd century BCE, a new era began. The Yayoi people introduced rice farming, metalworking, and new technologies from the Asian mainland. Over time, small communities grew into powerful kingdoms, eventually leading toward the formation of a unified Japanese state. Japan's history then entered the age of the samurai. For centuries, military warriors and powerful clans competed for control. Samurai became symbols of loyalty, discipline, and honor. Powerful military leaders called shoguns ruled the country, while the emperor remained an important cultural and symbolic figure. During the Edo period, Japan experienced more than 2 centuries of relative peace under the Tokugawa shogunate. Cities grew, trade expanded, and Japanese arts and culture flourished. But everything changed in the 19th century. In 1868, the Meiji Restoration transformed Japan. The country rapidly modernized. Railways were built, factories opened, a modern military was created, and Japan began adopting technologies from the West. Within just a few decades, Japan had transformed from a largely traditional society into a major industrial and military power. But this expansion eventually led Japan into World War II. Japan fought across Asia and the Pacific, and in 1945, the war ended after atomic bombs were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Japan surrendered, leaving much of the country devastated. Yet Japan would rise again. After World War II, Japan rebuilt its cities, industries, and economy. Over the following decades, it became one of the world's leading economic powers. Japanese companies became famous around the world for automobiles, electronics, cameras, video games, and advanced technology. Today, Japan combines ancient traditions with futuristic innovation. You can see centuries-old temples standing beside skyscrapers, traditional festivals celebrated alongside cutting-edge technology, and bullet trains crossing a country famous for its breathtaking mountains and cherry blossoms. From the Jomon people to the samurai, from the Meiji Restoration to the modern city of Tokyo, Japan's history is a story of survival, transformation, and reinvention. This is Japan, a nation where the ancient past and the future exist side by